Hello everyone, welcome to Geek Summits. Today we have brought you the free Udemy courses which you can avail them by applying the coupon that are provided in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Shell Scripting Tutorial for Beginners. So what is shell scripting? Shell scripting is generally a part of Linux. So if you wanted to ever get it started with Linux, you can start from here. So this provides a basic knowledge and it serves as a building block for getting started with Linux. So get through this coupon code and apply them and avail them for free. So the next course is Instagram marketing. Why Instagram marketing is used? So by using Instagram marketing, you can market your products. So you can sell your products and you can avail them profits, and you can interact with the customers by using Instagram marketing. So the third course is accounting. So the guys who are willing to gain a knowledge about accounts and accounting can go through this course. So this can be useful. It has 116 hours of on-demand video which can you can avail free by applying the coupon. So one day is left at this price. So enroll before it expires. So the fourth course is how to invest into the stock market. So it provides a basic knowledge of how to get invested into the stock market. So by investing into the stock market, you will learn how to invest in the shares into the companies and to avail profits. So apply the coupon that is provided in the description. So the fifth course is OpenCV. OpenCV is a part of deep learning. So you can use OpenCV algorithm in order to categorize faces, and it is also a part of data science. So the ones who are willing to get started with data science can enroll in this course and gain a knowledge about OpenCV. The sixth course is complete forex trade from scratch to professional. So by using this course, you can learn how to do trading from beginner to professional level. So it has a nice rating and 7,886 students are also enrolled. So it is a nice course. You can avail it before it expires for free. So the seventh course is VFX Basics, moving from After Effects to Nuke. So the VFX is generally used in applying effects in movies. So you can learn them by enrolling for free in Edionix. So if you don't have any account in Edionix, you can sign up here by using Google account or by using the email and password and clicking on CAPTCHA. So if you are already a member, you can log in it here. So and you can enroll for free before it expires. The Wireshark Ethical Hacker Guide. It is generally a guide that is used for using the Wireshark software. So by using this course, you can gain a knowledge how to use Wireshark and how to perform hacking and decrypting. So the next course is Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing Certification. So we have learned about digital marketing. So the digital marketing is generally used in marketing the products online. So it is also used in order to know about the tastes of the customer and interaction with the customers. So you can use artificial intelligence in digital marketing by going through this course and learning about it. So these are the courses, guys. So get enrolled in them before they expire. If you like our channel, please share and subscribe to your friends and give the suggestion to do more videos, and by subscribing it provides us more motivation to do more videos like this. Thank you.